Hello there, and today we're going to be doing the Cell City. This is my Cell City. It's pretty big, only a few buildings though. So we'll start on the outside and then we'll go more in. And yeah, let's start. Alright, so we got the cell wall or the wall entrance. This is a plant cell, so animal cells do not have cell walls because if animal cells had cell walls, they wouldn't be able to move around, which means a body wouldn't be able to move around, or the animal. If plant cells, the one I'm doing, don't have cell walls, then the plant will literally just flop over. All right, next one, the cell membrane, or the city gates people. They're like the ones responsible for making sure what gets in and out, making sure that there's nothing bad. Excuse me. And they make sure that everything that gets in and out isn't like any bad viruses, any like bad cells of any sort. Then right here we got the chloroplasm, and it's like the ground and the road, and it holds everything together because without this ground, everything would just fall into the water. Right here's the solar power or the chloroplast, and this is like a solar farm. And it would be like, it's like giving power, and like photosynthesis. It helps the plant with photosynthesis. Also, the city gates, an example of this would be like a security checkpoint or TSA at an airport. All right, dash over here. Then we got the lysomes, which is like the recycle center, which means it can send out trash from the cell, any bad trash, like old cell parts or like really weird waste of types. Right here's the storage area or the vacuole. An example would be like a giant storage area or a store. Not really sure if it would be a store, but maybe like a giant storage area, one of those storage places. Oh, right here. The ribosomes, an example of the ribosomes as a real thing would be like a tool making station, like an iron station making, what do you call it? Blacksmith, yeah. And it produces protein for the cell, so the cell can move around. Right over here is the post station, which is the Golgi. I can't say the full name because it's hard to pronounce. But it's like the mailbox center of the entire place, and it sends things throughout the cell. Right here's the mighty mitochondria, and it gives us energy to the cell, and it produces a type of energy called ATP for the cell, and the cell takes this energy and uses it for its strengths. Without the mitochondria, the cell would literally just not work at all because it needs this energy to work and do specific jobs. Right here's the nucleus hall. It's literally just the instruction place, as you would expect from a mayor. And right here is the chromosomes, the bookshelves of info. And the chromosomes are literally the instructions on how to live as a cell. And I think that's actually all. Thanks for watching. See ya. Hope you enjoyed.